Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since the last video, Bitcoin not only dipped into the first level of the 5-step recovery range, but also moved sharply below it, touching the next lower level near 106.5 thousand. During the same period, several major indices, including the Russell and the S&P 500, also turned lower, showing broad weakness across risk assets. It almost feels as though technical analysis stands no chance against sudden macro headlines or influential posts coming out of the United States. In moments like these, it's often better to step back rather than try to control every single move.
I am sick of all your shit.
Okay.
Quit screwing around. Take the wheel.
Look at you.
Take the wheel.
Look at you! You're fucking pathetic!
Why? Why? What are you talking about?
Why do you think I blew up your condo?
What?
Hitting bottom isn't a weekend retreat. It's not a goddamn seminar. Stop trying to control everything and just let go. Let go!
And then something happened. I let go. Lost in oblivion. Dark and silent and complete. I found freedom. Losing all hope was freedom.
In the past 24 hours, total liquidations reached about $1.1 billion. Of that, roughly $962 million came from long positions, while around $141 million were short liquidations. Another painful day for traders overall. Now let's shift focus to something more structural, the Bitcoin power law model. According to this long-term framework, the current fair value sits near 110.8 thousand, while Bitcoin's market price of about 109,000 trades slightly below it. The lower boundary of the model, representing a conservative estimate at half the main curve, lies near 55.4 thousand. The upper boundary, defined by a 3x multiplier, extends up toward 332.3 thousand. This power law model, based on data going all the way back to the Genesis block in 2009, continues to show a remarkably consistent logarithmic growth channel with an R-squared value of 95.65%. That strong correlation confirms Bitcoin's long-term tendency to move within this defined growth structure, even during extreme short-term volatility like we've seen this week. The most important thing is that the price is sitting above 108.5K again. In the most recent minutes, my long wave strategy indicator flashed a potential new entry signal around 108.8 thousand. However, I'm already fully allocated, with entries spread across the 115 to 110,000 range. So for now, it's all about watching whether the market can reclaim the 110,000 level and stabilize back above the power law fair value line in the coming sessions. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. If you got value from this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.